Types of countertops that not only increase the value of your home but are also very stylish. Countertops are a necessity in every kitchen. The best kitchen countertops for your needs depend on a number of factors, including cost, durability, upkeep, and more. The right kitchen countertop can be pricey and difficult to choose. Consider the advantages and disadvantages of the top kitchen countertop materials before spending money on such an important update to help you choose the best option for your room. The various types of kitchen countertops are listed below. Granite. It is simple to understand why homeowners prefer polished granite over other countertop materials. Granite is a durable countertop material of choice. The costs may be less expensive than you think due to technological advancements in the fabrication process and an increase in the supply of natural stone. Tile. Tile offers the most options if the color and distinctive design are important to you. With tile kitchen countertops, the possibilities are endless, from intricate hand-painted tiles to porcelain tiles that are mass-produced. Marble countertops. As a natural stone that goes well with many upscale kitchens, marble may be the most luxurious material for kitchen countertops. Marble countertops, which come in colors like white, gray, and even green, have long been prized by bakers for their naturally cool surface. However, marble isn't entirely heat-resistant, so avoid setting hot pots and pans down directly on marble countertops. Soapstone. The stone soapstone is extremely rare. Due to this, it is somewhat more expensive than materials for artificial countertops. The style and durability of this less well-known natural stone are comparable to those of marble. Soapstone, which comes in gray or black hues with lovely veining, makes a striking contrast to light cabinets. However, soapstone is also prone to scratching because of its smooth, soap-like feel. Quartz. Natural stone countertops, such as those made of granite or concrete, require a sealant or wax coating. The fact that quartz countertops don't require a wax coating or sealant is one of their advantages. This indicates that compared to other countertop materials, quartz countertops require less maintenance. Additionally, quartz countertops are incredibly simple to clean and maintain because they are non-porous surfaces. Natural stone frequently has color and texture variations because it is a product of Mother Nature. Natural stone's color, pattern, or appearance aren't always consistent. While some people might not mind, others prefer their countertops to have a uniform appearance and feel. And one of the advantages of quartz countertops is that quartz countertops look and feel the same throughout the entire surface because they are manufactured. This will ensure that the countertop has a consistent style and appearance, which can improve the design aesthetic of your kitchen or bathroom. Without a counter, dishes pile up in the sink, on the stove, and possibly even on the kitchen table. The table would be used for meal preparation, which created a very clumsy and uncomfortable situation. The value of your home may rise by up to 25% of its retail value if granite or another natural stone countertop is installed. Thanks for watching.